हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, गुड इवनिंग। फिजिक्स प्रैक्टिकल क्लास 12 यूपी बोर्ड या सीबीएसई बोर्ड, इसमें दो सेक्शन होते हैं, सेक्शन ए और सेक्शन बी। सेक्शन ए में कुल 12 एक्सपेरिमेंट हैं, ये करना है, और सेक्शन बी में यानी एक्टिविटी है, 10 एक्टिविटी है, उसमें से भी एक करना है आपको बोर्ड परीक्षा में। और प्रैक्टिकल फाइल में सभी को लिखना है। तो आइए हम आज आपको एक एक्टिविटी यानी क्रियाकलाप में देते हैं सेक्शन बी का, जिसका एम है टू ऑब्जर्व रिफ्रैक्शन एंड लेटरल डेविएशन ऑफ ए बीम ऑफ लाइट इंसिडेंट ऑब्लिकली ऑन ए ग्लास स्लैब। और अब इसका ऑपरेटस और मटेरियल्स रिक्वायर्ड ये दे देते हैं। तो ऑपरेटस एंड मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड में दे दिए हैं कि ड्राइंग बोर्ड है, रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास स्लैब, वाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर, एडहेसिव टेप, सेलो टेप, ड्राइंग पेंस, मीटर स्केल, आलपिन, प्रोटेक्टर, शार्प पेंसिल एंड इरेजर, ये सब दे दिए हैं। इसी तरह से फिर हम लोग प्रिंसिपल पर आ जाएंगे कि इसका प्रिंसिपल क्या है। व्हेन ए रे ऑफ लाइट इज इंसिडेंट ऑन ए रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास स्लैब, इट इज रिफ्रैक्टेड थ्रू इट, इमर्जेज आउट ऑफ द slab parallel to the direction of the incident ray. The emergent ray suffers only a lateral displacement. For a given angle of incidence and a pair of media, the lateral deviation is perpendicular to the thickness of the glass slab and angle of incidence. अब जो है ये प्रिंसिपल के बाद हम आएंगे प्रोसीजर में। इसके प्रोसीजर वाले पार्ट में जो है ये कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं, इसको भी सुनिए और इसको लिख लीजिएगा। तो प्रोसीजर में इसका फर्स्ट पॉइंट है नंबर 1, फिक्स ए वाइट शीट ऑफ पेपर ऑन द ड्राइंग बोर्ड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सेलो टेप और ड्राइंग पिन्स। Number 2, place the glass slab lengthwise symmetrically at the center of the paper sheet and mark its boundary A, B, C, D on the paper sheet with a sharp pencil. Number 3, draw a normal at the point EF on the face AB. Draw a line EF representing the incident ray, making an angle I and I the angle of incidence with the normal. Number 4, fix two all pins P and Q with the sharp tips about 8 to 10 centimeter apart vertically on the line EF. Number 5, observe the images of the two pins through the face opposite of the glass slab. Fix two more all pins R and S about 8 to 10 centimeter apart vertically on the white paper sheet carefully with their tips in line with the tips of the images of P and Q. Take care that the tips of all the all pins appear to be on a straight line. Number 6, remove the glass slab and mark the pin prick position of the all pins on the white paper sheet with a pencil. Draw a straight line GH representing the emergent ray passing through the points marked R and S, meeting the face C, D and G. तो इस तरह से हम इसको प्रोसीजर में लिखते जाएंगे। और इसके बाद 7th पॉइंट भी देख लीजिए क्या लिखना है। 7th पॉइंट में है draw the line FG to represent the refracted ray. Draw a normal at the point G on the face CD, making an angle of emergence E with the normal. Measure the angle of incidence I and angle of emergence E with a protractor. Write the values of these angles on the white paper sheet. And after this, that we have to see angle of I equal to angle of E. ये हम लोग उसमें मिलेगा, हम लोग देख लेंगे। Number 8, extrapolate EF forward to meet the face CD of the glass slab at O. Draw the perpendicular OL to the line GH. Number 9, we check the emergent ray GH is parallel to incident ray EF along the original direction. It is laterally deviated by a perpendicular distance OL. Measure the lateral deviation OL equal to D and also the thickness of the glass slab. Repeat steps by changing the angle of incidence. Repeat these steps by using glass slab of the different thickness. Measure the lateral deviation and the thickness of the glass slab each time. Also write the value of angle I and angle E on the white paper sheet each time. Record observation in tabular form with the proper units. What inference we can draw, that we will make an inference. We will observe that. We will note down the angle of incidence, angle of refraction angle of emergence, and that after observation we will find the result that what is the result of the experiment. Now in this experiment, after all that procedure, we will see the observation. Diagram we have shown it there. Diagram also you will see. In observation table you see the list count of protractor 1 degree, list count of the metal scale, meter scale 1 millimeter, 0.1 centimeter, measuring the angle of incidence I, angle of emergence E, and lateral deviation D. From this table you see number 1, when thickness was 5 centimeter, then and angle of incidence 30 degree, angle of emergence also 30 degree, same I equal to angle E, and lateral deviation 0.9 mean approximate 1 centimeter. And when same thickness 5 centimeter of the glass slab, angle of incidence we have changed 45 degree, angle of emergence will also be same, angle I equal to angle E 45 degree, and lateral deviation 1.6 centimeter. Like from this observation, it is clear that, which we will write in the result, it is clear that the lateral displacement, lateral shift, we can say that the ray of light emerging from a glass slab is parallel to the incident ray and incident ray direction, but is laterally deviated. Number 2, the lateral deviation of the emergent ray with respect to incident ray is directly proportional to the thickness of the glass slab. One we will see, and another we will find angle I equal to angle E. That also we are seeing. Then what is there? At last we can think deviation, lateral deviation is directly proportional to the thickness of the glass slab and also directly proportional to the angle of incidence. That's all. Thank you.